Hello friends, my name is MIshit and today in RFL Ahmedabad I have made this Frog Metamorphosis. The parts I use are smarter, motor, gears, studded wheel and many more. The life cycle of a frog is first the adult frog gives eggs, then the eggs turn into a tadpole, then the tadpole again turns into an adult frog. Right now this is a tadpole so it can't move. I'll show you a demo. So friends, as you saw, because it's a tadpole, it can't move. Now I'll add legs and make it into a frog. So friends, I've added legs and now it's become a frog. So friends, as you saw, because I added legs and it became a frog, it can move. Thank you.